Hello and welcome back to Lock Lab 101. What we're going to do today is going to go over this Falle Dimple Lock decoder, how it works, and then I'm going to demonstrate it. Okay, so what we have is we have the typical dimple pin pick here, and then we have an alignment tool that goes into the dimple locks. And what this alignment tool does, it sets up the pick so that it's always in the right position laterally on the keyway. Okay, and then here we have a gauge, and this basically just it tells you where the pins are, and based on the different locks there are different gauges. Okay, each one of these is separated by an amount like 3.9, 3.3, and it goes all the way up to like 5.5, I believe. Okay, so what you do is you do research on the lock, and then you see what the separation is, and then you get the right gauge, and then you'll know where each pin is. Additionally, here is a reference bar. So when this goes into a lock, this will butt up to the face of the lock, and it will index, or it'll help index that pick at the right spot when it's on the gauge. And then back here we have a gauge of the amount of, as this rotates and it moves the pick here, you can it will tell you what depth the key is cut at. Okay, so it does a couple things. It facilitates picking, one, but it also, as you do pick it, you can see what the cuts on or the depths of the dimples on the key are, and then you can go cut a key based off of that. All right, so in this kit, I already showed you the gauges here. We have extra pick tips, several different types depending on the lock. Then each one of these alignment gauges fits a different type of lock. Okay, and there's several of them here, and each one just has a different different profile for a different keyway. Okay, and then yeah, you pull these out based off of those screws. You can do left to right handed, and you put the alignment jig here, you tighten them with that right there. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and I'll give you a demonstration on how this works. Okay, let's go ahead and I'm going to demonstrate this real quick. So the way I do it, I pull the pick, the dimple pick back to the stop, and then so the alignment bar goes in, the pick goes in, and then this piece here represents the shoulder of the key. Alright, I'm going to start in 6. I'm going to put tension, clockwise tension. Sometimes a lot of people say you should do you should pick the opposite of the direction that you're putting tension. I just found that is accurate. Yes, heard that, pick, and then it opens. Alright, and I can take the cuts from here and regenerate a key. Okay, thank you very much.